morning, students. Today, I tell you a wonderful story that is the magic ring. चिल्ड्रेन, आज मैं आपको एक बहुत सुंदर कहानी सुनाऊंगा, बहुत मज़ेदार कहानी सुनाऊंगा जिसका नाम है द मैजिक रिंग. Once upon a time, there was a rich merchant. And the rich merchant one day called his son and told him to do his ancestors' business. पूर्वजों की तरह वो भी कुछ व्यापार करे, कुछ बिजनेस करे. And so that father merchant gave his son 300 gold coins. The child was very happy. He went for a new trade, new business. But on the way, he saw that a crowd of people, they were shouting, and a little puppy was surrounded by them, and some of the people, they were beating with the sticks that little puppy. The child was very shocked to see such miserable, such pathetic scene, such inhuman behavior to a little dog. He offered them 100 gold coins and to hand over the little puppy to him. The people were very happy to have 100 gold coins for a little puppy. And the child was happy, and the child loved that puppy and went away. On the way, again, he saw some of the people, they were very angry with a black cat. And some of them, they were beating that little black cat. The child was very shocked again, and he felt very miserable to see such a situation, and he offered 100 gold coins to hand over that cat, that little kitten. And the people were very happy to have 100 gold coins and handed over the kitten to the boy. The child now, the two animals, two beasts, one dog and one cat, and he went by. On his way, when he reached to a village, he saw that many people were surrounding a black snake, and some of them were beating the snake with the sticks. The child stopped them and told, "You just hand over me that snake, I will give you 100 gold coins." उस बच्चा के पास, आप कहानी समझ रहे हो, अब बचे हुए मात्र 100 गोल्ड कॉइन्स था. उस 100 गोल्ड कॉइन्स देकर बच्चा ने उस स्नेक को बचा लिया. He rescued that snake. And after all, he went by. He went back to his home. He returned to his home. But what happened there? His father was furious to see it. अब बच्चे समझ रहे हो, उस बच्चे के पिता एक मर्चेंट थे, एक बिजनेसमैन थे. वो बिजनेस करने के लिए 300 गोल्ड कॉइन्स दिए थे, लेकिन उनका लड़का एक पप्पी, एक किटन और एक स्नेक लेके घर लौटा. इसको देखकर बहुत गुस्सा गए. He was furious and he punished the boy. He punished his son to stay in his stable where the horses are kept. स्टेबल में रहने के लिए पनिशमेंट दिया. द चाइल्ड वॉज वेरी upset, and he used to live at that stable. Now, with his three partners, three companions, in the night that snake started speaking. रात में वो सांप उस बच्चा से बात करना शुरू किया. That snake was weeping and narrated his story that that snake is not an ordinary snake. That snake told that child that he was the son of the king of the snakes, Basilisk. स्नेक बताया कि वह तक्षक राज जहाँ पर सांपों का राजा होते हैं, तक्षक, that we know in our mythology also. Suppose that Nagaraj, you can say. बताए उनके पिता का नाम Basilisk, because it is an English story, so that such kinds of name is there. Basilisk, the king of the snakes, and he lived near the pool, near the Mount Olympus. माउंट ओलंपस के सामने में एक पुल में इस स्नेक का फादर रहता है. बहुत सारा सरपेंट्स के साथ, बहुत सारा सांपों के साथ वह उस पुल में रहता है. एंड दैट स्नेक रिक्वेस्टेड द चाइल्ड, यू जस्ट ब्रिंग टू मी देयर एंड माय फादर वुड प्रेजेंट यू two gifts. One, he would give you a ring, and another, he would present you a magical pot and spoon. When you would wear that ring on your finger, then you would be the prince, and you would get a palace and everything else. And from the pot, whatever you wish. The snake told him that whatever the child would wish, he would get them. All kinds of food, all kinds of dishes, delicious foods, he would get from that pot. The child was very surprised and wondered. And after all, he determined that he would help that snake. With the help of the dog and that kitten and with the snake, he now started walking towards the Mount Olympus. Mount Olympus की ओर चल पड़े. And really, he reached there and he found that pool, and after that he found that the king of the snakes, Basilisk, and both of them now reunited. Both of the snakes, the father snake Basilisk and his son, both were very much happy. बहुत दिनों के बाद इस तरह से दोनों रीयूनाइट हुए और एक दूसरे से प्यार किए और बहुत खुश हो गए. नाउ द फादर स्नेक Basilisk, द किंग ऑफ द स्नेक्स, उस सांपों का राजा, offered a beautiful gift that was a ring to the child, and also he gifted a magical pot and spoon. When the child put on that ring, he became the prince and he got a beautiful palace. आप सोच सकते हो स्टूडेंट्स किस तरह से वो बच्चा एक राजकुमार बन गए. That is a story only. Now he got a beautiful palace. After all, that is basilisk. You see in the picture, and both of them reunited. And after all, he was now the prince, and he also married a princess. And after all, they spent in that palace with a great pleasure. And now the prince had all kinds of wealth, and his subjects, uske praja, they were also very happy now, because they got many kinds of delicious food day by day. रोज उन्हें अच्छा अच्छा खाना मिलता था, जो चाहते थे. उनके प्रजा जो भी चाहते थे, वो फूड उस मैजिकल पॉट से निकलकर बाहर आता था. Many kinds of delicious food, delicious fruits, tasty fruits and food items, day by day, every day they got such kinds of food, and the subjects were very happy with their prince. That is the story about the magic ring. Students, I think, children, I think that you are very happy, you have enjoyed my story, and you must remain with my channel so that you will get so many stories and the study material of your courses of your class also. Okay, goodbye now.